Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2004 Honda Goldwing. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2004 Honda Goldwing with 4,847 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, electronic locking luggage, an intercom, and a CB radio. It's been upgraded with a motor TRIKE kit, rider footrests, foot controls, grips, reservoir cover, a clutch reservoir cover, rider backrest, and a luggage rack. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 116 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 6.6-gallon fuel tank, the Goldwing has a 190 to 240-mile range. It has a 29.1-inch seat height and in stock form a 905-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this TRIKE's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and both rear tires are at 6/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the ABS has been removed because of the motor TRIKE kit. We've posted the service repair order for this TRIKE so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the side cover, a dent on the engine guard, scuffs on the mirror housing, chips on the rear fender. This TRIKE has an owner's manual and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This TRIKE has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.